All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at the SAND/USDT pair. Okay, SAND has been on fire lately, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick update. Basically, like if you're not in it right now, I would wait. Okay, so we have my yellow lines right here. These are going to be basically the larger time frames, the main support levels. Okay, from the daily and the weekly chart. And then I have my breakout level in blue above here, bullish price targets in green, with a dotted line for like support and resistance in between the breakout levels and the bullish price targets. Okay, so currently what we've got going on is we're basically kind of in a new trading range is what I would call it. Okay, basically from 8.45 area down to 5.75 area. I think is, we could just chop in between that area. Okay, now there's plenty of room for profits in there. Okay, I mean, if you can buy at the bottom at 5 and sell at the top at 8, that's that's definitely great. But as far as like maybe getting any long-term positions, I would wait for a breakout, okay, above here. If you want to trade it, okay, and then you can look to see if it carries that bullish momentum to the bullish price targets. So I'll be leaving this one alone basically until we get around that $8 mark. I'll be paying attention to it a little more closely. But if we fall lower, okay, this thing ran up massively in a very short amount of time. Let me show you guys real quick the kind of run up that it had. So from here to the highs that it had was almost 1,000%, okay? And then from there to where it's most recently at is about 750%. Now this is only in 35 days, okay? So, I mean, this is in like a little over a month period that it's done this. So when things run up very, very hard and run up massively 700%, they can drop 20% as well, okay? So you got to keep that in mind. So let's look real quick from where it was and then down to where it's fallen down to. It fell 30% at once, and then it's recovering now, and it's only down about 21, 22%. Okay, so that's really good to me. That's definitely a good sign. Okay, we did have our 30% pullback. We bounced off support. We tried to recover, and we're pulling back again, and we're looking to see if we can make if we can maintain making higher lows. So here's a low here, here's a higher low here. If we can rally, come up and come back down and keep creating higher lows, then that's a good bullish indicator. And then once we get above these breakout levels, these will be the bullish price targets. Okay. Now, long term, I do think that SAND has some really good long term hold potential. Okay. You can buy and hold here if you guys want to for like a year or two, a couple years, or you can wait to see if we dip to any one of these support levels. And, we could bounce and recover at any one of these support levels. So my support levels are going to be 575, 534, 497, 441, 401, and 343. Okay. We're currently trading around like 650 a share, 660 a share, or I'm sorry, a coin. So that'd be a pretty dramatic drop if we go back down all the way to 3. And I don't think that will happen necessarily, but it always can. Okay, so you got to be prepared for it, which is why I have all these support levels. If we bounce at any of these support levels, I'll be looking at opening possibly some long-term positions to hold. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna let it do its thing and see what we do in between my my breakout zone and my strong support levels below where the price level is at. Okay. Until then, I'll be sticking out of SAND, but just want to give you guys an update for anybody who, is in SAND, who's trading SAND. It looks really, really good. Okay. I mean, look, we had huge, massive run up. All right. Big pullback, but now we're creating a higher low. All right. Which is a good sign. And if you notice, let's look right here. Okay. For instance, last time it had a big rally, first big push, ran up big, pulled back hard, ran up, tried to recover, made a higher low, recovered, higher low, recovered, higher low, until we reach our highs. We have a double top here, and then we fall back down, recover, falling, low here, higher low. So if you notice, I mean, it's doing a great job of just consistently making higher lows, which is what you want to see in something if you're bullish on it. Okay, so this thing is definitely showing great signs, and there are some good trading opportunities from the $5.80 area up to 8.46 is like a good trading range that the coin is basically trading between now. And then once we break those highs, we have the possibility of hitting 9.84 and then $11.17 a coin. So let me know what you guys think about Sand. If you guys like this video, if you have any other crypto requests or stock requests you guys would like me to analyze and drop a video on, I'll be happy to do that for you, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, you can click the link below, or the link will be in the description below, and you can use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and you'll get yourself a discount on the membership, all right?